Kyla and I want to wish everyone a happy St. John's Day.
Driving on the 142, trying to get to you tonight. But I'm finally on the 142, and I'm trying to get through to you tonight. Vance Bore's last chance to put it away before the border guards play their favorite game. And now my next tank's in the States. My navigator's on the train. Now alone I take the long road through America. I'll never drive again in vain. But tonight you will be in my arms, not in my dreams again. Now we ride together and my car just against rest till I'm with you is the only thing that's keeping me true on this lonely long road through America. I'll never ride again in vain, but tonight you'll be in my arms, not in my dreams. Myself in the 142, trying to keep myself awake. I talk to myself in the 142, rising on the horizon. I see the lights of Montreal break.
Oh, hi there. My name is Hassan Hine, and I want to wish you a very happy St. John's Day.
Happy City St. John's Day!
Happy St. John's Days.
Hey, this is Ria. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome St. John's Day.
Happy St. John's Days.
Happy St. John's Day, everyone.
Happy St. John's Days!
Happy St. John's Day.
Walking around this beautiful morning, and it's Happy St. John's Days to you all. Yay!
Hi there, I'm Brian Downton. I play drums. I play drums on the song you just heard, that video you just watched. Great song by a local band called Trio and the Red Albino. They were around in the 80s and 90s and recently had a reunion. And I used to rock out in the basement playing drums along to these songs. The 142 Thru that you just heard. And my favorite was Carol Ann. Such great drumming. And Trio and the Red Albino are a staple in St. John's history, music history for sure. Happy St. John's Day from me to you, all of us at Co-Video Collective. We thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Check out the earlier stuff.